Yep, let's go. And we're gonna do an unboxing video on the rear end unit that I've always wanted in this truck. The legendary Eaton Truetrac Helix Gear Posi-Trac unit. Let's open this bad boy up. That's not what it's supposed to look like. First and foremost, the box is damaged. The box is damaged. We had this problem when we got that VS Racing Turbo too, and there was two boxes in there. The inner box was damaged. So I never ended up having any issues out of what I found on that VS Racing. Let's hope we don't have any issues here. This better be a Truetrac and not a spring clutch loaded unit. Eaton manual. What's this? Eaton differential owner's manual. All right. There she is. No protection in there, nothing. Just a big ass chunk of metal in a cardboard box. Looks like somebody's opened this before. Man, I hope this ain't a used unit. I got it from a trusted dealer on eBay, just so you guys know. And I paid $525 after taxes, free shipping. This was $525 shipped to my house. So, I don't know how this is going to go. I hope it goes great. I've read that I need specific bearings for this unit. Now, I have already ordered the bearings, but no, it did not come with them. And no, it did not come with any shims to shim up my center unit inside my housing. I don't know that I'll have to shim up my unit, but if I do, it did not come with shims. This is definitely used. This piece of paper here is ripped. I'll put the eBay seller in the description so you don't have to buy from it. Like, look at this. Are you kidding me? Just paid $525 for this piece of metal, and it's gonna come with ripped instructions. Destroyed. The baggie was already opened. It come with, let me just tell you how this works. All right, your axles will slide into here and here. When they do, these are C-clip axles, which means you've got a C-clip that's going to go down in that hole and down in that hole. And once you get the C-clips on, you'll slide the axle out, slide this axle out as far as it goes until the C-clip hits. Once that happens, you slide this in between the axles. Okay? That prevents the axles from coming back in and letting those C-clips out. Holds the axle right where it's supposed to be. So once you've got that in there, and your axle and your C-clips and everything, this plugs the hole just like that, and this goes inside there. All right, so that's an unboxing on a Eaton Truetrac for 8.5 with 30 spline axles going into a 99 ZR2 Chevrolet S10 rear end in our 1988 Chevrolet S10 base model LS swap 5-speed rear mounted turbo truck.